Okay, we're back on this Prius, and if there's more to the story. So he said he thought, and it was cooling, he said he thought it was on its last leg. And we do have a clear sight glass, if you remember from the previous video. Doesn't always mean it's full, but I think somebody filled the system up prior to selling it to this customer. I tested the refrigerant, and it is 100% R134, and it has 0% air. Anytime I see 0% air, rarely there's the factory 0% air, but they do get it. They're usually like around 1%, sometimes 0. But I think somebody filled this up since he, prior to him buying it or after. What I did start to suspect, because I know this year, make, model vehicle, I suspect that maybe they filled it up because he has a leaky evaporator, because there's no oil stains on the condenser, and I don't pick up anything on the condenser. So let's go right here, and I'm gonna turn on the power a little bit just to cycle the fan, to start the fan rotating, but then turn it immediately off because I don't want the fan to dilute out. Let's see if there's something refrigerant trapped down in there. So I cycle it on, cycle it off, and there we go. Bada bing, bada boom, we got refrigerant under the dash. And I turn it on again, and then we turn it off again. There we go, back up again. Okay, we got a leaky evaporator. So that's all I need to know. There's a reason, even though he bought the second hand, that he's saying it's on its last leg. But I'm here under a sun load. This was like 140 degrees in here, and it was coming out cooling under a heavy load. And I'm wondering why he was saying he thinks it's on its last leg when it's working right, and possibly we're not getting the whole story. We have somebody maybe doctored with it, filled it back up, and then trying to see if we can find, if they get a second opinion. And so you often don't get the full story. And that's why you don't always believe what people say. It's either they don't know and they haven't noticed something, they're truly not giving you all the information, and then you have the other people who know something but they don't give you all the information. And not sure what the deal is here, but I suspected something, and my suspicion was right. So let me go through the recovery procedure, and I'll tell you how much I removed out of this Prius.